Привет, ребята! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing fine, and guess what we're gonna do today? Today we're going to talk about the verb to be. Guys, first of all, it is a very important verb as it's a foundation of every language, not only Russian. In every other languages you will find this verb to be. And second of all, in order to know how to use it, we need to do what? We need to learn the conjugation, exactly. So guys, but attention. Apart from other European languages, such as, let's say, French, German, or maybe Spanish, the verb to be in Russian language is not used. It only applies to present tense. If we're talking about past and future, it'll be used as normal. And you will ask me, why so? Why it's not used? I don't know, really. I've no idea, but what I was looking on the internet and found that it used to be a big thing, let's say around medieval age. So guys, we could assume that it's been a long time ago, and then people just stopped using it. But anyways, enough talking. Before we start with conjugation, I want to mention two very important things. So first of all is that the verb to be sounds and looks exactly the same as the Russian verb to eat, which is есть. Yes, so do not confuse it. And also the verb to be is translated in Russian language in two ways. So first it's obvious to be быть, and the second one is находиться. So находиться it's used to say where something is located. So guys, now let's go real quick with the conjugation. It's not gonna be that difficult, just watch me and repeat after me. So guys, I am, я есть, я есть. You are, ты есть, ты есть. He is, он есть, он есть. She is, она есть, она есть. It is, оно есть, оно есть. We are, мы есть, мы есть. You are for plural, вы есть, вы есть. And they are, они есть, они есть. And folks, now let's start with examples. So listen, subject is gonna be on the first position. So for example, he, she, it. And then we just put the verb. So here are some examples. This is an apple. This is an apple. Это яблоко. Это яблоко. Guys, so here we don't say это есть яблоко. No, we don't say that. So that's what I was trying to say, that the verb to be is omitted. It just gets dropped. So we're just being straightforward and we say simply это яблоко. We don't say это есть яблоко. Or for example, this is a very good car. This is a very good car. Это очень хорошая машина. Это очень хорошая машина. So we don't say это есть очень хорошая машина. No, don't do that. Simply это очень хорошая машина. Or for example, she's a doctor. She's a doctor. Она доктор. Она доктор. So, она есть доктор? No. Or he's a teacher. He's a teacher. Он учитель. Он учитель. I'm busy this evening. I'm busy this evening. Я занят сегодня вечером. Я занят сегодня вечером. So, again, the same. It doesn't have any am. Like, in English we would say I am, but in Russian simply я, and then we just put the verb. So, я занят сегодня вечером. Or let's say, I'm on a vacation. I'm on a vacation. Я нахожусь в отпуске. Я нахожусь в отпуске. The same thing, guys. And here we have находиться. As I mentioned before, it it's like used to say where something is located, or for example, where a person is on the moment. So я нахожусь в отпуске. I'm on a vacation. And now guys, let's start with questions. And it is very easy to form a question because all we have to do is just to change the intonation. So the first one is this a very good car? Is this a very good car? Это очень хорошая машина? Это очень хорошая машина? Is this a very good car? Or for example, is this an apple? Is this an apple? Это яблоко? Это яблоко? Like, is this an apple? Or we might say, are you busy this evening? Ты занят сегодня вечером? Ты занят сегодня вечером? Are you busy this evening? Is she busy this evening? Она занята сегодня вечером? Она занята сегодня вечером? Is she busy this evening? Or for example, are you guys on a vacation? Are you guys on a vacation? Вы находитесь в отпуске? Вы находитесь в отпуске? So guys, that's it for today. I really hope that my explanation was clear and video was good. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and if you leave the comment below. So if you don't get something, do not hesitate to ask me. I will do my best to answer you as soon as possible. And just keep this one thing in mind, that the verb to be is not really used in present tense. But if we're talking about past and future, yes, we do use it. So that's it for today, and thank you so much, and we see each other in my new video. Talk to you soon, and bye!